Hello everyone, thank you for clicking my video. Today I will share the recipe of fried rice noodles with kale. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are bihun, kailan, carrot and eggs. Wash and cut kailan into section. If the kale stems are relatively old, you need to peel them if you can't pinch them with your fingers. They are old. If they are tender, you don't need to peel them. Add salt and cooking oil in water. Blanch kailan for 3 minutes. Sliced carrot. Beat eggs and set acid. Prepare seasoning sauce and set aside. Stir fry chopped garlic. Add carrot slices. Add kailan. One teaspoon fish sauce. Add bihun. Add seasoning sauce and stir fry evenly. Stir fry with chopstick to prevent bihun breaking. Optional to sprinkle pepper powder. Add fried egg and stir fry evenly. Kailan fried bihun is done. Smells so good. Hope you like it. Give it a try. Kale has the best anti-cancer effect among vegetables currently discovered. It can effectively prevent heart disease and also has the function of lowering cholesterol. It also has diuretic, phlegm, and detoxification effects. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.